When you're doing the other tips, it's just really simple. I'll give it a little quick shake from a Passionate, which is a neon collection for the fusioning, and I'm just like give it. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Because when you're using the crystal clear, if you are getting like or start playing with the fusioning, do yourself a favor. If you're getting one color fusioning, do yourself a favor. You don't have to get 12 of them to get started. You can get one. And then do yourself a favor is matte top coat. Matte top coat and then crystal clear, that's all you need, because the one will grab all the pigment and suck all this pigment in to yours pigment of the colors or whatever colors is, which is in this tip we don't have to apply the colors because it's already color for you, which is awesome because it saves you good 10-15 minutes from just, you know, sitting there and polishing all the nails. So matte top coat will grab all the pigment, and then now crystal clear will blend every single is pigment from a fusioning for you. So then give even like is make it so much easy, and then it help you work even smarter, not harder. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick up one of the piece of paper towel and submerging the bristle. Well, you don't have any, you don't need additional brush at all. You don't have to with the crystal clear. You can definitely use the brush from your bottle. And then you're gonna just like give it a little bit. And you don't need to have to load a lot of your crystal clear. Just pick a little bit. You don't want to saturate it. You want it to blend for you. And then keep in mind, you can absolutely add more as you prefer. Okay, I'm going to tap it right here because we want to make it like a French look. Okay. And then same thing with the center fingernails tip right here. I'm gonna just pick up a little bit of crystal clear. Make sure you are going to like wipe it right on the piece of paper next to me right here. I'm not sure is the camera was showing it. And I'm just need to clean the residue off from my bristle. So then when I dip it back into the bottle and pick up more crystal clear to blend the marble looks out from this cute color of fusioning, it will not contaminate in the bottle. So then next time if I'm using like purples or green, any colors, it will not contaminate the color together. You know what? If you want more veinings on this cute tip, you can absolutely add more. I just add a little bit because the pigment is just so pigmented. This would be good for like beginner or a lot of nail lovers. You can definitely create this stunning marble look without feeling like a lot of struggling with this. So you see that how I just like tap, 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 tap. You don't even need to really force yourself to do it. It does all the work for you with the crystal clear. And you can literally see that I'm just adding one like layer of the pigment of the fusioning, and then blend it like that. All right, so I'm gonna just try to get it like so it looks cute with the smile line, but however we're gonna using the illuminating gel art to kind of define the smile line for this nails. All right, if I'm happy with this, that's all you need. You don't need any like, so now if you want to make this tip is not looks pink like this, you will definitely go back, wipe off your residues from the bristles, and then pick up your crystal clear a little bit, and you can go it's like a little bit more defined as you prefer. Don't pick up a lot of crystal clear because little bottle like this go a long way. You don't need a whole lot because otherwise it's gonna flood it your pigment, and that makes your pigments go everywhere. So we just need a little bit, and we'll go back a second. You can see that is from really like kind of a pink. As give it more defines of the like veining that you prefer. All right, you can do it more as you needed it. I think I'm like it like that. So now we are going to using the you see me doing a lot with the golden touch gel painting, and this time we're gonna using the illuminating gel art. I like it because it had a little bit of reflections of the glitters, and even like more glitter on this. So I'm gonna use this to kind of create the smile line. You know what? You can do this. You can use pink. So a lot of you will probably get a pink colors from a gel painting in the bottle from this one. You know, and then a lot of you will get the white or black. So whatever color you are going to get is going to be cool and stunning. So I'm gonna just get that. And I'm gonna do this one as well. I'm going to continue doing this one as well. Looks really cool. All right, so I'm going to flash key it really quick, okay? For like 30 seconds for now.